Exercise 25. Once again, it's focused, it's based on the same context with Maria selling cookies. Maria is planning to sell cookies from stands she placed in front of 3 stores at no cost. She spent $420 to purchase 3 empty display cases and 8,000 cookies. Maria's profit is the difference between her total revenue from selling cookies and her total initial cost for the 3 empty display cases and the 8,000 cookies. If she sells each cookie for 0.30, which of the following functions gives her profit? So this should look pretty clear because we were told that the profit is the difference between the total amount spent to buy the 3 empty display cases and the 8,000 cookies and the amount she earned by selling them. We don't know how many cookies will she sell, but we know that since she is selling each by 0.30 and assuming that she manages to sell, X, she will earn a total of 0.30 times X. These will be her earnings. Now, minus her cost, which was fixed, set to $420. This equation here, 0.30x minus 420, would be the one predicting her profit. Here, I did it with X. Apparently, the exercise did it with C, but still, it should be the same concept, which makes A the right answer for that.